Progress test, files 1 to 5, listening 1. Speaker 1. What's the best thing about sports for me? Well, it keeps me really in shape, there's no doubt about that. And I get to go out and about a lot with all the competitions we enter. That's a real plus. But I'd say the really great thing is the way it lets me push myself to do better and be the best that I can be. Speaker 2.
There are so many things I love about sports, really. I'm very competitive, and I love any chance to try and beat the others. And obviously, I love it when I do well. Winning makes me happy. And I suppose it's nice being able to spend time with the other athletes, too, though I don't get along well with some of them.
Speaker 3.
I really love sports. I've met some great people through it, even well-known ones, and we travel all over the place to compete. That doesn't happen all the time, of course, but one thing that never changes is the fact that it really helps us all stay in great shape, and that's by far the best thing for me.
Speaker 4.
I've been to some very interesting towns and cities with the sports club. I think that's one of the best things about being a member. And of course, all those trips give me a chance to catch up with the others' news as well. We're all so busy with other things. We don't have much time for a social life together.
Speaker 5.
I love competing. There's no doubt about that. And I enjoy working with my coach. What's been the biggest bonus for me is that I've made a lot of friends through this hobby. I was pretty lonely when I first came here.
Progress test, files 1 to 5, listening 2.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
Oh, hi, Jack. I'm fine. So what's new with you?
Well, I'm thinking about taking some night classes at the local college because I wouldn't mind trying something new. Would you like to join me?
Great idea. What do they have?
Let's see. There's a photography course. That looks good. Though I'd say I'm probably a bit more advanced than beginner level. Yeah, probably somewhere around intermediate.
To be honest, I don't have a clue about photography. And anyway, besides that, I don't think I'd go for it because it can end up being quite expensive.
I suppose you're right. So, let's see what else they have on this list. What about cooking?
Right. I wouldn't mind that, actually. I mean, I'm confident that I know the basics and stuff, but it'd be nice to take it up a level. You know, try something more adventurous.
Yeah, me too. Especially sweet things. So, cooking's a possibility for both of us then. Cool. Okay, what about dancing? They have lots of classes.
You know, I love dancing. It's not something I'd want to take classes in, though. I'd rather just enjoy doing it naturally when I'm out with friends. Do you know what I mean?
I'm glad you said that, actually. I have a feeling the dance floor is not somewhere I'd be at my best.
You mean you have 2 left feet? Is there anything else interesting?
There are some art classes. It says here that students learn how to paint landscapes and still life. You know, bowls of fruit or flowers and so on. That sounds all right, doesn't it?
Well, I'm really into art. But if I were going to take classes, I think I'd rather try out portraits. I could paint you.
It's probably not a bad thing that portrait painting classes aren't available then.
So it looks like we're going to be rolling our sleeves up in the kitchen.
Yeah, sounds like a good plan. I'll email you the details right away, okay? And I can take care of the payment for both of us.
Okay. Thanks a lot. We can sort out the money later. And thanks for asking me. See you outside college for the first class then.
Okay, that's fine. See you there. Bye.
Bye.